I'm feeling like baking, but I want to make something really, really easy. Easy as pie. And I've got a pie, I could call it my 1, 2, 3, 4 pie. 4 ingredients: butter, brown sugar, eggs, and a little vanilla. Come on in the kitchen with me. I'll show you how to make it. Brown sugar pie uses 4 easy to keep on hand ingredients: 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 stick of softened butter, 3 large eggs, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 standard pie crust. I used a frozen one. First, beat the butter until creamy. Press and mash it into the sugar, and then mix them together well with a mixer. Add the eggs one at a time. And stop and scrape down the sides to keep everything at an even texture. Eggs one by one. Stop and scrape. And don't forget to add in the vanilla. Watch it swirl up into luscious, creamy clouds. Little lumps of brown sugar, they don't matter a bit. Now for the fun part. Transfer your gorgeous, gooey brown sugar filling from the bowl into the pie crust and enjoy spreading it out evenly. I love this part. I place the pie on a baking sheet so it's easy to handle. Bake it for 10 minutes in a hot oven and then turn it down for 30 to 40 minutes more. Now while my pie's in the oven, here are quick notes on brown sugar. You'll find light and dark brown sugar in most any grocery store, but look for some special ones. Muscovado is a fine quality traditional brown sugar, comes in light and dark. Turbinado has big crystals. You can pour it out and you'll see it in coffee shops. Palm sugar is a treasure of Southeast Asia. It's made from the coconut palm and the toddy palm, and there are gooey and sandy versions. Brown sugar textures vary, but you can measure and use any of these in this pie. And that, my friends, is that. Brown sugar pie. Simple, delicious, simply delicious. Now, when I cut myself a piece, something happened. This beautiful crust, it's a frozen pie crust. It's lovely. It's a beautiful design. It stayed pretty all through cooking, but when I cut it, it broke off in the back. And you know what that means? Nothing. It means nothing. It means the crust broke off, and that means you don't have to wait. That means you can go right ahead and eat a little bit of crust while you cut all the pieces. What matters is what's inside. Pie is what's inside. And this brown sugar pie, it's not tall, but it's short and it's sweet. I think you're gonna love it. So I hope that you make one, and I hope that you will feel free. If you decide that even though it's absolutely perfect, wonderful, and has everything that it needs to have in its simplicity, if you decide you want to have it with ice cream or whipped cream, you go right ahead. Because sometimes too much is not enough. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment. Let me know what's your favorite kind of pie, to eat or to make. Bye now. See you in the next video.